Good morning. It is about 6 a.m. in the morning. We were told to be up and ready to go by 5. And that was getting to bed about midnight last night. Fortunately, yesterday we learned that they don't get here on time. So we were supposed to be up by 7 yesterday, which I did, ready to go by 7. After only maybe 5 hours of sleep the night before. And he didn't get here till about probably 8 or 8:30. So this morning, when I heard, hey, be ready at 5, I thought, yeah, no way. I'll get up at 5. But, got ready in about 25 minutes, thinking, oh, he'll be here maybe next half hour. And no, it's an hour later. And it's dark. And I'm tired. And listening to the roosters. So, yep, that's what's going on here. Dad is serving breakfast to us all, which is a Nutri-Grain bar. I've already had 2 oatmeal granola bar thingies and a package of Ritz and peanut butter crackers.